Ravi sir, Deepthi ma'am, my dear children, teachers and dear parents. Language is a medium of communication and expression. English has achieved prime status and most widely spoken language in the world. Our school students had participated in spoken English course conducted by Trinity College London and came out with flying colours. Now I request children to receive their certificates from Principal Ma'am, Correspondent Sir. I start with grade 1 children. Sri Ram Charan. He cleared with distinction. Nandan Reddy.
Certificate, proud moment.
Gautam Sai. K. Gautam Sai. V. Satvik. V. Satvik. She's Likita. Likita. C.H. Pradyun. Monisha Sri. Encourage them with huge round of applause. Sheikh Ibrahim Iqbal. Harshavardhan Raj. Chinmay Karthika. P. Harikiran. K. Abhiram. Sai Abhiram. Distinction. He cleared with distinction. Grade 1. A. Gaganasri. Distinction. Nellore Ritvisha. She cleared with distinction. A. Anirudh. Anirudh. Himar Sai. Clap for your friends, children. Clap for your friends. Juhita Chaudhary. Passed with distinction. Lakshmi Rochan. He passed with distinction. Lakshmi Rochan. Sai Vishwateja. Mishra passed with distinction. R. Gayatri. She passed with distinction. Gayatri. Josh Sardev. Josh. Pawan Sai. Y. Bhogan Sri. Sumaya. She passed with distinction. Srija. She passed with distinction. D. Akshaya. Okay, now grade 3 children. Venkata Vamshika. Venkata Vamshika. Distinction. P. Sahasra. P. Sahasra. Manju Shri. Gayatri. J. Gayatri. distinction. Ram Sasyak, he also passed with distinction. Deepan Krishna, he also passed with distinction. Varshini, she passed with distinction. Srimayi Sharma, she also passed grade 4 with distinction. Valluri Tejaswini, passed with distinction. Sritayu, Akshita, a grade 3 student, passed with distinction. Oh, she has got prizes in essay writing and homework submissions. Claps for her. Saurish, passed with distinction, grade 4. Shanmukhi, she passed with distinction. Trishali, she also passed with distinction. Kamalika, passed with merit. Rishita, passed with merit. Bhavya of grade 2, her father is here to receive the certificate and she passed with distinction. Saket, passed grade 4 with merit. Srihanshu, passed with merit. Kritika Leela, passed with merit. Muzakir Beg, he passed with merit. Sahil, passed with merit. Devaritika, passed with merit. Shan Safar, she passed with merit. Sisira, passed grade 4. Sai Varshit, passed grade 4. Uniki, passed grade 5 with distinction.
Srihansi also registered for grade 5. She passed with distinction, but she is not here. Kankipati Aishwarya Lakshmi, she also has registered for grade 5, passed with distinction. I have a grade 1 certificate here. Chintala Guru Sai Sri, registered for grade 1 and passed with distinction. I have here a grade 6 certificate. One of my most celebrated students, Chippa Likita, class 10 student state board. She has registered for grade 6 and she has passed with distinction. Likita, congratulations. First ever time doing Trinity, ma'am. She has cleared the exam. I am proud of her. Here I have certificate for Venkata Madhu Pranavi, registered for grade 5 and passed with merit. I'll tell you, ma'am, this girl lives very far from school. చాలా దూరం ఇల్లు. పేరెంట్స్ ఎవ్రీడే స్టే బ్యాక్ అయ్యి తీసుకెళ్లారు. ఆఫ్టర్ స్కూల్ ఎవ్రీడే షీ గాట్ హోమ్ ఫర్ at 7. లీవ్ పెట్టి వస్తారు అన్న ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అది. దట్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్యాషన్ టువర్డ్స్ ట్రినిటీ. ఐ am proud to have such students. Congratulations Madhu. Now I have the certificate for Vempati Srita, registered for grade 5 and she passed with distinction. This girl is also a classical dancer. This girl is a classical dancer and she has received many awards in classical dancer. అంత బిజీగా ఉన్నా కూడా ట్రినిటీని వదిలిపెట్టరు. గ్రేడ్ 1 నుంచి చేస్తూ వచ్చారు. వెరీ గుడ్ శ్రీత, కీప్ ఇట్ అప్. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. ఐ హ్యావ్ ద సర్టిఫికేట్ ఫర్ వేల్పుల లాస్యా. Mandepudi Niharika, she has registered for grade 5 and she passed the exam with merit. Niharika's parents requested the certificate to be given to Tejo Manvita. Dekonda Tejo Manvita will take certificate for Niharika and she would pass her. And this certificate is for Manvita. She has passed with distinction. Manvita appeared for grade 5. Talluri Vidisha, she has passed with merit. And here I have the certificate Sheikh Umar Sultan. Aina sare ma billo Trinity chaala baga chestadu. We are very very happy for that. Padala Naganishita, grade 6. She was in her 8th SEP. So though busy, she has given for her grades and she passed with distinction. This is the time we gave away the certificates for ISC Foundation. The first certificate I am going to announce for ISC Foundation is Sai Sandamini. Sai Sandamini from class 6. Yeah, one second. Sai Sandamini, let me tell about her. She is in 6th SEP. SEP and 10th busy telsuga, even in that busy. And she has been a member for Green Club. Okay, though she was busy with all other programs, she has secured distinction in all the areas. Reading, writing, speaking and listening. Distinction in all the 4 areas. Proud of Sai Sandamini. Let me join. Sai Sandamini's mother can join us. Randy. Thank you very much. The 3 certificates, her modules and her main certificate. Now, Unnam Varnika, she is not here. We'll pass her certificate. She has cleared with 2 merits and 2 distinctions. I am proud to call Ishrat Mufaiza. Ishrat Mufaiza, class 9 student, very new to school and very new to Trinity also. She was given ISC 1 directly and she has proved. She has 2 distinctions and 2 merits. That is Ishrat receiving her certificate from correspondent and principal sir. Principal ma'am. Let me move to ISC 2, Integrated Skills and English ISC 2. She has passed with distinction in listening and other areas she has passed. Her 3 certificates here. Durga Srinidhi. You can clap for her please. I am once again very very happy to call Yata Manaswini. Class 9 student, class 9 SEP. Mind you, 9th SEP. Chala works untai. I know they have attended all the classes. Who has given her examination first time ISC. ISC 2 passed with 1 distinction and 3 pass. She has cleared the examination. Congrats Manu. I have one more student who is studying in DPS now. But very much interested in Trinity, Anushruta Kolkanda. She is not here, passed her exam with distinction. I'll receive her certificate, sir. Please. Now, I am very happy to call Sansia from 9th SEP. Very hardworking student who has cleared the exam in 1 go. అంటే 1 go లో below 20 years ఈ exam clear చేయలేరు. ఈ పిల్లలందరూ చేశారు. This group certificates. Congratulations, Sansia. Ananya, one medical aspirant, she is doing her third year medicine in Manipal University. Amended examination ichindi. She has cleared her certificate. And Katangur Sarayu, +1 student DM school. Yeah. Meridian School in Hyderabad. వాళ్ళు కూడా weekends classes attend చేశారు. And we should see our spirit, their spirits actually to give this exam. Here I have the certificate for my dearest student. I am proud of that. Kotta Samanvita. This girl is doing her medicine third year in Mamata College. అయినా ట్రినిటీ వదిలిపెట్టలేదు. గ్రేడ్ 1 నుంచి ISC 3 దాకా ఒక్క సంవత్సరం కూడా బ్రేక్ లేకుండా చేసిన వన్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ ట్రినిటీ హోల్ ఇండియా మొత్తం ప్రౌడ్. ఐ షేర్ ద ఫోటో. సాయి అర్జున్ గ్రేడ్ 1 పాస్ విత్ డిస్టింక్షన్. And Kamineni Gautam Sai registered for grade 1 and passed with distinction. This boy also should take his certificate. These certificates from Trinity College London has registered candidates for Trinity College London exams in the academic year 2019-2020. Center's name is Harvest Public School. Proud to work with Harvest School. Next certificate, most experienced faculty, Radharani Madam. I am very proud for Radha Madam supporting me all these years, without whom it is not possible. And the next honors will be to Swami Shankar sir, who has been new to Trinity yet. God benefit Trinity now. Swami Shankar sir, congratulations for the certificate. Has registered candidates for Trinity College London exam. Nazir Unisa, Sheikh Nasir Unisa for training students grade 3 and grade 2. Niyamana Venkat Swati. Madam, please receive your certificate from correspondent sir. Kamineni Sai Abhiya, grade 1 student. He has missed his certificate. I request correspondent sir to do honors for that boy. Thank you very much, sir.